Hello, my name is Samiksha Nagar. I'm a student of tourism in Kota, Rajasthan. My parents are Diamond and Amway. I've seen this business since I was 4, and in his organization this year, a new diamond has emerged, and I'm very happy about it.
21st Paradigm. Stay hungry. Stay excited.
And at 18, I decided that I want to pursue my career in Amway business. So it's my full-time career. Although I'm studying tourism, both are correlated. I'm very happy about that. But the main thing that attracted me towards this business, despite my parents being diamonds, is that it's so dynamic. You know, you get to break rules every day. You get to see people, meet people every day who are of different backgrounds, different perspective, and you see new things and not that same monotonous life. Even if I had decided to stick to one career, that is tourism, I still would have led a monotonous life because I would have led it alone. Now I have a team, I have students, I have classmates. They are all with me, they are my team, and we are all building this together, and it's very exciting. Every day is different, so I'm very happy about that.
How old are you?
I'm 22 right now, and I became platinum last year.
Very good. So what did you see in your parents? That they work very hard. What did you see? Or some of the qualities of your parents?
Yeah, well, I saw that they are changing with time. When they are in Amway, and they are active in Amway, they are changing with time. Other parents I see, other classmates' parents, they have a fixed mindset. Whereas my parents are changing every day. They are emerging as new people. They are becoming different. At the age of 50, my father is reinventing himself, and that is, I don't think that is very rare. And to be honest, they are my ideals. And to have your parents as your ideals,
that's the best thing.
That's the best thing. That's the best thing.
So what do your friends say? Like, I know most of your friends, are most of your friends building the business?
Yeah, actually some of my friends are building business. When I was 18, I went to most of my friends and showed them the plan. But that time they had different mindset. They were of student mindset. I will complete our graduation and probably then we'll get some job and pursue some career. But now some reality has crashed into their mind, and they have realized that, oh, that girl who has completed her graduation also has built a business also, and now we are struggling because we have just completed one thing and she has completed two. So they are struggling and I'm not.
So do you see, what is the perspective of jobs for people who are graduating at your age? Is their job is right there in the market, so you just go and apply and you get 10 jobs?
Yeah, no, it's not easy. It's not easy to get the job of your skill or desire. You know, most of my friends who are in jobs are underpaid. Those who are pursuing their businesses are finding it hard to get the investments or capital for their startups, and it's a harsh world out there. Without the support of such a huge company, billions of dollars of company, it's really very hard for small startups to survive, and most of them fail. And here we have such a great support system that we are able to succeed.
What is your message to generations like you? What would your message be?
I would say to them that, why don't you try? You know, you have heard many things about it, and I just chose this because I have seen it. I've seen the results. I've seen the lives change. I've seen my own life change. When my father was in job and then when he was in business, I've seen lives change. That is why I chose this. Why don't you go ahead and try it? There is no flip side or there is no cons of pursuing this business once you are shown the plan. So just try. If it's not your cup of tea, move on. But why don't
So last question to you, what are some of your dreams?
My dream is to actually never settle, to travel the world and basically be bigger than myself, be a part of something which is bigger than myself, and that is why I'm in Amway.
Very good. Thank you, Samiksha. I know that you're going diamond, part of your parents' team. We're just so proud of you.
Thank you so much.